Welcome to Initiant, your go-to source for the latest in technology trends and innovations. Today, we're plunging into the depths of the ocean to explore the most exciting underwater tech advancements of 2024. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, yet it remains one of the most unexplored frontiers. With the advancements in technology, we're now able to dive deeper and uncover the mysteries of the deep blue like never before. First on our list is the latest development in scuba gear. Imagine diving with a suit that not only keeps you warm, but also generates its own oxygen, allowing for longer and deeper dives. This game-changing technology uses advanced materials and sustainable energy sources, making it a must-have for every ocean explorer in 2024. Next, let's talk about underwater drones. These aren't your average drones. They're equipped with high-definition cameras, sonar technology, and can dive to depths previously unreachable by humans. Scientists and marine biologists are using these drones to study marine life, map the ocean floor, and even discover shipwrecks and underwater ruins. But it's not just about exploration. Underwater tech also includes advancements in communication systems. We're seeing the development of underwater Wi-Fi, allowing for real-time data transmission from the depths of the ocean to scientists on the surface. This breakthrough has enormous implications for marine research and environmental monitoring. One of the most exciting developments in 2024 is the use of AI in underwater technology. Artificial intelligence is being integrated into various underwater equipment, enhancing data analysis and decision-making processes. This means we can now analyze ocean data more efficiently, leading to faster and more accurate scientific discoveries. As we continue to explore and understand our oceans, the possibilities are endless. Underwater technology is not just about exploring the unknown, but also about protecting our marine ecosystems and understanding the impact of climate change on our oceans. In conclusion, the underwater tech advancements in 2024 are opening up new frontiers in ocean exploration and research. These innovations are not only fascinating, but are crucial in our quest to understand and protect the largest ecosystem on our planet. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into underwater technology. If you're fascinated by the future of tech and the mysteries of the ocean, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Initiant for more content like this.